In today's video, I'll be showing you how to set an alarm on the Samsung Galaxy A05s. The first step is to open the clock app. Then in your clock app, ensure that alarm has been selected, and in your alarm page, tap on the plus icon on your screen. Then you need to set a time in which you wish your alarm to ring. And once you've set the time, you can also choose which days you wish your alarm to repeat. So use this daily schedule to select which days you wish your alarm to ring. And then you can also choose to add an alarm name. Adding an alarm name helps you distinguish between alarms that are ringing if you have multiple on your device. And then you can also choose to add a sound. So tap on this toggle to disable the sound option or to enable it. You can customize which sound you wish to add. So you can use a Spotify song, or you can use a pre-installed ringtone from your device. Then you can also use this slider to increase or decrease the current alarm volume according to your preferences. You can go back, select a vibration. You can choose to enable or disable this as well. And if you've enabled it, you can choose a vibration that's already been installed on your device. You can also choose to have a snooze timer. So by enabling this option, you can customize the interval of the snooze. It can be 5 minutes, 10 minutes, 15 minutes, 30 minutes, or you can custom your own timer. Then you can choose to have it repeat 3 times, 5 times, or forever. So it's up to you to customize your snooze timer if you've chosen to enable it. And once you've set your alarm, tap on save. Now you should see your new alarm has been set. Thank you for watching. If you have any questions or comments, leave them down below and we'll get back to you.